Vusiket Matlala, the businessman once known for big government contracts and luxury living, is now fighting for his freedom in court. Today, the Johannesburg High Court heard Matlala's bail appeal after the Alexandra Magistrate Court denied him bail last month. On September 17, the court ruled that Matlala is a flight risk, pointing to his access to a private jet and a foreign bank account and even a fake Eswatini ID. He has been held at Kgosi Mampuru prison, where officials found him twice with cell phones, a serious violation of prison rules. The attempted murder charge stems from a 2023 shooting on the N1 near Sandton, where Matlala allegedly tried to have his ex-girlfriend, actress Tebogo Tobejane, unalived. Investigators also link him to suspicious government tenders, including Tembisa Hospital contracts over 13 million flagged by the late whistleblower Babita Deokaran, and a 360 million SAPS health contract his company won in 2024, later cancelled for allegedly fronting and collusion. At the Madlanga Commission, investigators revealed WhatsApp chats linking Matlala to senior police officials and political figures, including claims of funding political campaigns for protection. He's also been named as part of an organized crime network called the Big Five, allegedly involved in drug trafficking, fraud, and contract killings. In court today, his lawyers argued that the magistrate ruling was unfair and that Matlala deserves bail, while prosecutors insist he remains a danger to the society. The Johannesburg High Court has now reserved judgment, meaning the decision on whether he gets bail will be delivered at a later date. For now, Vusiket Matlala stays behind bars. Judgment is reserved. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Ciao.